Welcome, Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And Chef Alex.
Hello.
So today we're going to be doing some, well, normally I would do barbecued corn on the cob, but we don't have a barbecue, and I really don't want one. So we're going to do a roasted corn, and I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. But there's a few things that we need to do first. First, it needs to be slathered with butter. And our butter can't necessarily be slathered because it's frozen. Why? Because Amy and I don't really eat a whole lot of butter. But I do want it for this. So, I'm going to turn the heat on, medium. I've got a little bit of oil in here. I got about maybe 20% of a block of butter. So we're going to melt the butter down. And just so that we can have a little bit of smoke flavor to it, we're going to pour a dab of liquid smoke.
And you don't want too much.
You absolutely don't. Right,
No.
Amy? Because it'll taste like a shoe. I'm going to put a little bit of low salt. And as if anybody should be surprised with this, we're going to put some pepper. Amy likes corn and cob and I don't. I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm so used to things, and you know, while I'm doing this, I'm going to preheat the oven because that's pretty important. I'm so used to when you do corn and cob that you have to take the husk out and then there'd be bugs over it. And I don't like that at all.
No, I don't either.
Can't stand it. Absolutely can't stand it. So, our grocery store has started to do, and this is a little bit of cheese. So basically, Tajin, salt, pepper, a little bit of liquid smoke. Tajin, why? Why not?
Gives it a sweeter taste.
Yeah.
Now, Tajin isn't spicy, it's more of a sweet taste.
Yeah, it's got a great sweet taste for it. It's made for fruits and vegetables. So that's what we're doing. So I'm putting about maybe 2 tablespoons of this on here because I like it. Amy, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's really, really good. So we're just going to let this melt down a bit. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go grab the corn. And I'll show you exactly what I mean about how awesome Superstore is for what they're doing. There's still a little bit of husk to it. Not a whole lot.
No.
Not too much.
Not too much. So you know what? This is going to work out really well. I'm pretty happy about that. Because when I see bugs, and I'm not just a fan.
Kind of makes you not want to eat any of it.
Yeah. But I want corn tonight.
Yeah.
So we're having corn tonight. So we're going to take this down here. Then I'm going to ask Amy to clean this off for us. And this is sweet corn already, so this is going to be really, really good, I think. So Amy, just rinse this through here and get rid of the fiber, please.
Rinse these.
Yep.
You can always boil them too. That gets rid of everything.
I don't want to boil. There's a reason why I'm doing this. Boil is one thing, but when you bake it, it actually does give you much better flavor. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to take some tin foil. This one has been cleaned. Alright, so that's melted enough. So I'm going to cook this off the heat for a moment. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take this butter here, and I'm going to slather it, literally slather it all over each piece of corn. And this is going to give it some really, really awesome flavor. So when we get ready to eat this, it is going to be awesome. I think I everybody's, grown up with having corn on the cob.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this, now what we're going to do,
There's still one more.
we're going to wrap each one of them really, really tight, because this is going in the oven, and we don't want sauce dripping over everything, and I still got one more trick up my sleeve for that. Like, I love corn, I really, really do. I just don't enjoy a lot of the mess from it. I would have had this clean before we started, but I didn't realize that. I didn't really see the that there's still a little bit of husk on it. And then once this is done, you can take a little bit of pork, take that, and then take a knife and just slice right down, and just cut the corn right out. This is something seasonal that we can get every now and again. Amy got really, really lucky and seen this, not even just for
There's only one.
there's only one. It was even on sale too. So we're gonna wrap this, and again, like really, really make sure that you do a good job wrapping it, because if you toss and turn it, then your mix, your butter and everything comes out. You don't want that. This is not a hard thing to do, it really isn't. And this is going to taste so amazing. Amy, are you excited?
Yeah.
I am really, really excited. You want to do this for your family, you're going to get some really good results, and I'm really firmly believing that your family is going to absolutely fall in love with this. Yes, it's better if you have the barbecue. Absolutely always will be too. But not everybody has one. And to be honest with you, we have a deck, so technically we could, but we'd only be able to get a small one. And I don't like small barbecues because they just don't perform the way that I want them to perform. So it's more of a quality thing for me. I need to have the bigger barbecue, or I'd just rather not have one at all. If I can't do what I want to do with it, then it's just not going to perform well for me. Now, how hard is this, guys?
Not that hard.
Doesn't look hard at all.
No, it's not. It's really, really simple. You don't need this much tinfoil. You don't. And if you find that you made too much butter, that's not a big deal either. You can put this in a container and save it for next time.
Next time will be next year, though, for us.
For this.
Yeah.
But I mean, you could, if you're going to fry up some eggs, this wouldn't be a really bad mixture for that.
Yeah, that's true.
If you're going to cook some meat, this would not be a bad mixture. Tagine is, like I said, tagine is mostly used for
Fruit and veggies.
But we've been known to use it for meat too. It is a Mexican spice, and we find that it's just really tastes really good, so we like it.
It's really good on steak too.
Yeah, so I mean,
And eggs.
so just because it's fruit and veggies does not mean that you can't use it for other things. I don't think the Mexican police are going to show up at your door and arrest you for not using it as intended.
No.
It's tagine is probably one of the most versatile spices that we can use. Like I said, all I'm using is liquid smoke, some zesty cheese spice, black pepper, tagine, and a little bit of low salt. Alright, and I'm getting this done just in time because guess what?
It's almost heated.
We're almost ready to. So now what do? We're going to grab a baking tray. We're going to put this in the baking tray because we don't want to set these right on the on the shelf, because if we do
No.
that, then it's going to be really painful to try to get them off. So we can take our gloves and we can pull this out, no problem. Super easy. Here we go. So we're going to put this in for 20 minutes. That's it. They will come out and I'll take them out of the tank ball and we can take a look and see how they look. So all we're going to do is just 20 minutes. And that's it. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. If you don't, Amy's gonna cry and get mad at me. I might even
No.
get it. I might even get a frying pan over the head.
No.
Which I probably deserve for all the jokes I do on Amy all the time. She says no, but she wouldn't hurt me, guys. I like making these kind of jokes. My wife is awesome, and she comes up with these great ideas. She told me she wanted some corn on the cob, so you know what? You're getting some corn on the cob. So hit that like, share, subscribe, visit www.poulskitchen.com, and we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Welcome back, and we're done. Like, this is not at all a hard recipe. This is really simple, really easy. So I got the oven off right now, and I'm just going to grab a fork. Don't mind the kitchen. It's a really wet, rainy day today. We're getting the edge of a hurricane and it's not nice. So I'm not gonna take this all out right now because we're just gonna let it cool and eat this in a little bit anyways. Not eating this right now.
You just want to make sure it's cooked all the way through.
Yeah, which shouldn't be an issue. And there we go. So really all we have to do from here is just take a knife and just cut down if you want to do it that way, or if you want, you can, if you have them, you can get those little, I don't know, those little prods you put at the ends and eat it that way if you want. Personally, I just like taking a fork, taking it, and sitting it down, just stripping the corn right off. But that's all you really have to do. And look how juicy and great this is. This is going to taste amazing. It really is. If you want to sit down and you want to make some good quality corn, you don't have to have a barbecue.
No.
You don't have to boil it. I think boiling it would take a little longer. And then you also have a little bit of the, you just don't get to put the flavor on it because it's going to boil off anyways. You can do it after if you want, but when it's cooked in, it's so much better. This is going to be great, and this is what cooking great again is all about. Like, Amy, are you excited?
Yeah.
Like, this looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does look good.
It's going to be wonderful. So until next time, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Visit us at www.poulskitchen.com. That's POULS kitchen.com. Our latest recipes, our cookbooks. We really appreciate your time and have a great day.